أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وما تكون في شأن وما تتلو منه من قرآن ولا تعملون من عمل إلا كنا عليكم شهودا إذ تفيضون فيه وما يعزب عن ربك من مثقال ذرة في الأرض ولا في السماء ولا أصغر من ذلك ولا أكبر إلا في كتاب مبين صدق الله العلي العظيم. Today's conversation is about the modern physics in the Holy Quran. The Holy Quran informs us about the modern physics 1400 years ago. Those theory has been discovered recently by the famous physicists and scientists in recent time. In the field of physics, there was a theory that was developed 23 centuries ago. This called atomism or atomic physics. The atom is the small particle of the matter cannot be divided. As this concept was developed 23 centuries ago. But in modern time and present time, the atom is the particle which containing the elementary characteristics of this matter that can be divided into electron, proton and neutron. In Quranic terminology, the atom refers to zarra. فَمَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ خَيْرًا يَرَى. Zarra means the atom or the object is smaller than atom. Surah Saba, ayat number 3, Allah has says, وَقَالَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا لَا تَأْتِينَ السَّاعَةُ قُلْ بَلَى وَرَبِّي لَتَأْتِيَنَّكُمْ عَالِمِ الْغَيْبِ لَا يَعْزُبُ عَنْهُ مِثْقَالُ ذَرَّةٍ في السماوات ولا في الأرض ولا أصغر من ذلك ولا أكبر إلا في كتاب مبين. لا يعزب عنه مثقال ذرة. The least little atom in the heavens and on the earth is not forbidden for Almighty Allah. The anything less than atom or greater than atom, all of the things are written and mentioned in His record. Nothing is hidden for Almighty Allah. This verse described about the atomic physics and informed us about the matter or smallest part of the matter that is smaller than atom. Surah Yunus, ayat number 61, the Holy Quran says, وَمَا تَكُونُ فِي شَأْنِ وَمَا تَتْلُو مِنْهُ مِنْ قُرْآنٍ وَلَا تَعْمَلُونَ مِنْ عَمَلٍ إِلَّا كُنَّا عَلَيْكُمْ شُهُودًا إِذْ تُفِيضُونَ فِيهِ وَمَا يَعْزُبُ عَنْ رَبِّكَ مِنْ مِثْقَالِ ذَرَّةٍ فِي الْأَرْضِ وَلَا فِي السَّمَاءِ وَلَا أَصْغَرَ مِنْ ذَلِكَ وَلَا أَكْبَرَ إِلَّا فِي كِتَابٍ مُبِينٍ. The concept of these verses is similar to the above verse that has been already described. Here is the concept is same. Allah has said, the little least atom is not forbidden for the Almighty Allah in the heaven and on the earth. And the thing less than atom or greater than atom, all of the things are written and recorded in His record. So it is the clear concept about the atomic physics that has been described in the Holy Quran. So 1400 years ago, the Holy Quran informed us about the atomic physics. Yet, the modern science described it recently and present time. So it is the very challenging concept of the Holy Quran to the dweller of the world, to the researcher of the world, to the scientist of the world, and to the physicist of the world. نهاية العالم وما بعدها. the concept, the end of the world and the beyond. The Holy Quran has said about the end of the world, and tons of literature theories claiming that the 2012 years was the end of the world, according to the prediction of the scientists at that time. But this concept is quite wrong, according to the prediction of the Holy Quran, an indication of the Holy Hadith narrated from the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The details of atomic physics in the Holy Quran. Concept of atomic physics has been described. Surah Nisa, ayat number 40. Allah has said, "Inna Allah la yuzlimu mithqala dharra." Allah the Almighty doesn't commit any atom's weight of injustice to anyone. So it is the basic concept of atomic physics, and Allah indicates that Allah will establish a criteria based on the atomic weight to judge among the people on the day of judgment. So this scale is the atomic scale. Then Allah has said, Surah Nisa, ayat number 124, about the scale smaller than atomic weight. وَلَا يُظْلَمُونَ نَقِيرًا, and they will not be wronged as much as knocking. And these parts indicate about the scale that is smaller than atomic weight. So Allah has indicated that Allah will establish a criteria based on the atomic weight that will be smaller than the atomic weight to judge among the people on the day of judgment. Surah Bani Israel, ayat number 71, Allah has established another criteria based on the atomic weight that will be 1 lakh times smaller than the atomic weight. And next he will say that the atomic weight will be 10 crore times smaller than the atomic weight to establish a criteria to judge among the people on the day of judgment. This ayat says that وَلَا يُظْلَمُونَ فَتِيلًا, they will not be wronged as much as threat. So this word fatila indicate about the scale that will be 1 lakh times smaller than the atomic weight. So this is the clear concept of atomic physics that has been described in several verses of the Holy Quran. And this is the lecture part 1 about modern physics in the Holy Quran, and part 2 is coming soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.